Why they always want to cut the grass when I'm trying to film. Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Adine. If you're new here, this channel is all about nails, beauty, and lifestyle. So if that's something that interests you, make sure you subscribe and you hit that bell so you can get notified when I upload new videos. Also, if you're OG, triple OG, coming back to my channel, thank you so much, you guys. I just want to tell you guys, I appreciate all the love I'm getting on all my recent videos. My subscriber count is going up, but what I really want to do with this channel is grow a community of like-minded individuals that love beauty, that love nails and lifestyle content. So comment down below, you guys. Let's get to know each other. I'm a super nice person. I do not bite, okay? So comment down below where you're watching me from, what state or what country, and also let me know what is your favorite color. My favorite color is pink. Okay, so yeah, comment down below and let's get to know each other and grow this community. All right, you guys, so on today's video I'm so excited because I got 3 items that I picked up from the Coach outlet store, and I just want to share with you. So if you're interested, then keep on watching. All right, you guys. So this past weekend, I went to the Charlotte, North Carolina Premium Outlet Mall, and I went to the Coach store. If you know me, I love Coach, okay? I love their quality, their leather, their material. Their bags last forever. And I've been a Coach girl since, I think, like high school. And yeah, so today I'm going to share with you 3 items. So the first item I picked up was this super cute wallet. It is called their Slim ID card wallet. And she's super cute. I got her in this bone color. And you could fit 3 cards in the front. And then, of course, your ID right here. And this was $39. And the reason I got it was because my other Coach wallets were a little bit just too thick, and I've lately been into the smaller bags. And when I have a thicker wallet, I can't fit it in my smaller bags. So you see how like thin it is? I just love how small and compact this wallet is. And for $39, you can't beat it. They have different patterns and different colors on the website and also in the Coach outlet store. So I recommend this for $39. Super cute. So I got that. The next thing I got, you guys, I'm so excited, okay? Remember earlier, I told you my favorite color is pink. Comment down below what's your favorite color. I got the Smith Mini Tote bag. And of course, the color pink, you guys. Look how cute she is. She has a top handle and a crossbody strap. She is so cute. Look how beautiful this bag is, you guys. I just love, it does not have any like foot on it, but she's super cute. Okay, and that's what it looks like on the inside. It has this hardware is silver, and it comes with the little strap right here. And I just love how cute this bag is. This was with shipping and all that stuff. Actually, I got this from the Coach outlet online store, not the actual physical store, the online store. And with taxes and everything was $164. And I think this is such a cute, pretty bag, you guys. Super casual. It does not have a zipper like for you to close the opening, so keep in mind of that. They do have what is it, the little snap closure right here, so you could, let me see, you can snap it closed and it looks like that. And then on the inside it has a little slot, hopefully you can see it right here, for your card. But then since I got my slim wallet, right, I take my slim wallet and just drop her in there, and I still got room for, you know, my phone. This is an iPhone 13. My iPhone 13 fits in there perfectly. And as you can tell, I still got room to put your lip gloss, your hand sanitizer, a mirror, stuff like that. So she's super cute. Look how pretty she is. I love it. So I will link her down below if you're interested. And the next one I got was, let's see, the Satchel crossbody bag. And she was $139. And look at this beauty, you guys. She is all black. And I love this bag. It's like a square rectangle bag. And it comes with the top handle and the strap, and she is deep, you guys. I already have a lot of stuff in here. So let me take some of the stuff out. This is kind of my everyday stuff that I carry, okay? So I took the stuff out. Inside you have 2 card holders right here. So 1 and 2. And then she's pretty deep, and I like that. And what I really like about this bag is the hardware, you guys. The hardware is like a deep copper bronze color, so it looks kind of black, and I love that because most bags either give you silver or gold hardware, and I just wanted a like nice neutral bag that didn't have crazy like gold or silver hardware. So this is the bag that I got. She is a satchel crossbody, and for $139. And then that's the back, the side, and the front. So let's fill her up. So I'm putting my iPhone 13, my slim case that I showed you earlier, my puffer for to touch on my makeup, my mirror, she goes in there, a Tide pen, because when I eat, girl, I be dropping stuff in my shirt. Some hand sanitizer, she goes in there, my hand lotion, which this one is Into the Stars by Bath and Body Works, so I got that in there. My cuticle oil pen, and then whatever lip combo I'm wearing at the moment. This is from the other day, so I got a lipstick, a lip gloss, and a lip liner. And then whatever fragrance perfume I'm wearing, usually I try to get the rollerball as well, and I put it in there. So you see, and I still got room, you guys. There's still so much room in this bag. She's so cute. So yeah, that's the second bag. And then what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna transfer everything from here into this bag, okay? This one's a little bit smaller, but I think most of the items could fit in there. Now let's see, I'm just gonna throw it in there real quick for you guys. So usually this is what I do when I'm switching bags. I literally grab whatever's in one bag and I throw it in the other, okay? So we're gonna put everything in there, the puffer, try to organize it a little bit. So I got everything in there, and then I think I can still fit my phone in here. Yep, I sure can. So everything fits in there. Everything that was in this bag was able to go into the mini tote bag. You can't close it because she's packed to the rim, but everything fits in there. Nice and cute. So yeah, you guys, this is everything that I got from the Coach outlet stores. Let me know what else you want to see from me, and stay tuned for my next video. While I was at the outlet store in Charlotte, I went into the Guest store, and let me tell you, they had the best deal. They had 50 and 60% on top of items that were already on sale. So I'm going to share with you everything that I got, okay? That's going to be Saturday's video. So make sure you come back for that video because I got some good stuff and I'm excited to share. So let me know which one you like better, the satchel bag in black or the pink Smith tote bag. Listen, I can't decide. I love them both, and that's why I bought them both. All right, you guys, that's everything for this video. Make sure you come back for Saturday so you could see the guest haul video, and comment down below, like I said, which one's your favorite. And I will see you guys on Saturday. Bye, guys.
Yeah, all right. Check. I had to hit that slide out so these niggas know me. And I been in my hideout, had to pump that, get that thump back, hit low 1-2 step, I run that, get that boom bap dumping. Make your mind step to the side and make your soul want to sing like ooh, ooh, make your soul want to sing. Ooh, ooh, I've been rolling, ain't no holding back. I owe me for them years of pushing music over dollars. Now my presence.